G'day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at the Aldi Bauhn 4K action camera. It's not true 4K, as it says on their website. It says that the 4K recording is interpolated. However, it is a 4K action cam. It is the Aldi equivalent of the GoPro, and I'm going to show you guys all the different modes it operates in, and so you can decide whether you really need to spend a lot of money on a GoPro or if you can get something cheaper like this. Now, it comes with all sorts of accessories. It came in this nice little case, and in the case all sorts of mounts and whatnot, which I'm sure come with the GoPro as well. And of course it comes with the waterproof housing, a remote control, and this housing, which I'll pop this into and replace what I'm recording on now, which is the Canon G7X Mark II, so you can see the difference. So I'll switch over now to the Bauhn. I'll switch over now to the Bauhn and let's see how it looks. Okay, we are live on the action and 4K 30 mode, and we're in. There's not much lighting in this room, so this is looking really light. I've just got the main light on and a few windows open for light to come in through there. You can see what it looks like. Now I'm going to take it outside and cycle through modes. It comes in version. It doesn't allow you to record audio, but in all the other versions it does. In all the other modes. So go outside and what this thing can do. So we are just down here at the park, and it's a really bright sunny day. I'm just going to cycle through all the different modes. Currently we're recording in 4K P30 mode. As far as I can tell, there's no audio in the slow-mo, so I'll do a bit of montage, cycle through all the different modes it can do, and you guys can see what it looks like. Let's go. Okay, as you can hear and see by now, the audio is out of sync. Some videos that I make with this are out of sync, some are not, but for now you can safely assume that this device should only be used for video, or it's possible that I have been given a dud product, so I might need to return it. So take this review as looking at least at the visual quality as opposed to the audio. Okay, I've switched up the main resolution to 2K 30, and I've switched up the slow-mo resolution to 720 120. So let's see how that looks. Okay, so we're back in 2K mode. There are a few other modes in the settings that you can play around with. I won't go through all of them, but for example, there's 720 60, 720 30, and similar things like that. At the moment, I'm still in 2K, which I've got a feeling might be the best mode to be in. And so you can compare that with some other GoPro videos on YouTube. Anyway, so we might leave the review there. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.